So we have the hole here that we want to fix, and because it's quite big, we put tape on the other side just to stop the builder's bog going too much through it. So to prepare the bog, you get a bit of it. It's a 2-part mixture and you have to work really quickly. So we'll get some of that. I think that might not be enough. Get the mixture, maybe a little bit more. Then we add the hardener, because it's a 2-part. Just a little bit. Oh, this stuff's not good. Alright, what's going on here? Probably separated. Okay. Then mix. So the colour will change and it'll actually undergo a chemical reaction and get quite warm. And it needs to be applied very quickly. The work time is, depending on how much hardener you add, could be less, could just be a few minutes, and it gets very unworkable if you leave it too long. So we have to be really quick. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you're not neat about it, because you sand it back afterwards. I'm just gonna goop it over the top. Might try and fill a bit of the rust holes as well. That's pretty much it. It's going to set really quickly, and then we can sand it and paint it. And this stuff is really hard. It's a 2-part epoxy. Just use the rest of it up. Some micro holes. Okay. Now we've just got to let it dry. Well, it's cure actually.